Is the happiest country in the world?
Happiest country, I'd say Jamaica.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. My name is Marcos. Now if you're watching this video for the first time, please remember to support this channel by subscribing, commenting, liking and sharing my videos. So guys, in today's clip I want us to talk about why Jamaica is a small island but is loved by everyone. So many Jamaicans have come out online and expressed why their island is loved by everyone, why everyone loves Jamaica, and why Jamaica is ranked #1 loved country in the world. So let's go into this video, see why some of the reasons why Jamaica is loved by everyone. So watch this video and I'll be back with more views.
You really want to party like a rock star? Don't go to Miami. Don't go to Vegas. Go to Jamaica. We have parties at a water park, full adults, doing adult fun things at a water park. We have all-inclusive parties in the water, at the beach, with ice cream and food and drinks and performances and drones. We have parties where people bring boats into the middle of a sand dune in the middle of the water, surrounded by mountains and hills and views and people having the best time of their lives, okay? Partying in Jamaica isn't just an occasion, it's a lifestyle. Elders party with their children. I party with my mom growing up. Partying is part of our culture. It's a real thing. We have parties where people go on their head tops and people dance and jump on top of each other. We have bougie parties where people will escort you and drive you to the nicest, most decked out premises you've ever seen. And then even outside of parties, we have brunches on top of mountains overlooking everything. Like, it's insane. The amount of planning that goes into these Jamaican parties that the average person does not know about. There's no party in Miami that can compare. And if you want to go to a strip club, let's just say the strippers in Jamaica. I've I've been in Miami since I was 3 years old. I've been to multiple strip clubs. Me never see one stripper who have anything upon a Jamaican stripper. The things they can do with their body. If you know.
Me just come out of one Turkish shop. Me go buy some almond, see? And believe you me, when me order the almond, and the Turkish man give me the almond, I write up this at the shop there. Right up there, sir. I show me no one video in place. See? When me order the almond and the man give me the almond, I me take out the money and I go pay the man. The man look at me and say, where you from? I say, I'm from Jamaica. The man say, oh, I love Jamaica so much. It's my dream to go to Jamaica. I say, you're welcome. The man no want to take the money from me in a rasta. Me I pay the man say no want the money. The man tell me say, love Jamaica and love Jamaican paper. And he no want the money from me. And all me I force the money upon the man I force it back from me. You know what I do? Me put down the money upon the counter. And the man take up back the money and shoot it down in my pocket. So me I tell you now, Jamaican people, you don't know how people love without hurt ya? Eh? Just the name Jamaica alone. And me I tell you now, you don't live good no man. Just live good Rasta. Cut out the bad living man. People love we out here, you know, man. You don't see it. When you travel the earth, you know, you know how much Jamaica been loved by people in a Rasta. And you see someone who behavior want to carry on with Jano Star. It a let we down, man. You know see it. One Jamaica. And big up all the Turkish people them. Saying, me, shocking Morris said that.
Can somebody please explain to me? And I don't want to hear from no Jamaicans. I don't want to hear it. And you over there, you better just hush because I don't want to hear none either. Why is it that as soon as you tell somebody you're from the Caribbean, they automatically assume, or this is a response then, oh yeah, I've been to Jamaica. Like, what? Like, y'all really think that Jamaica is the only Caribbean island that there is? Don't get me wrong. Technically, I'm like Jamaican by marriage, you know. It's but that's not the point in this. That's not the point here. Why is it that people always assume that if you're from the Caribbean, you're from Jamaica? Like, it's not the only Caribbean island. Anyways, all your updates. My husband said that Jamaica put themselves on the map. So I'm just gonna let y'all deal with him in the comments because I don't really have the energy.
As a Cuban living in Jamaica, I can tell you that one of the most hurtful things you can tell a foreigner living in another country, whether it's Jamaica or whatever it is go back a your yard. And this is one of the many reasons why I love TikTok on this day. Memories bring back, because it just brings back so many memories of something that happened a year ago. I just love to see how much I have grown as a person and how little people have changed. I have lived in Jamaica for a whole 20 years, and still up to this day, people on social media send me back a my yard. No matter how many times me hear this, no matter how hard I work on it, although the pain is less, it still hurt me. Before I go on, let me just express my immense gratitude to those who have welcomed me with open arms, have given me virtual passports, and have declared me Jamaican. Me love uno, mucha love. This is just my story. I am not saying that this happens to every immigrant that come here to Jamaica. I am just going to share with you what happened to me. I dropped in Jamaica as a 20-year-old. I just turned 20 years old. I didn't know anybody in this island. The only person I knew was my husband. I didn't even knew my husband's family other than 2 printed pictures of them. I have never even spoken on the phone with them. I had no idea who these people were. I had no idea if I was dropping in the conditions that my husband told me I was going to be dropping at. I left my house in Cuba as a 20-year-old in love with a Jamaican, going to another country with the dream of spending the rest of my life with him. And thank you, Virgen de la Caridad de Cobre, that up to this day it has worked out. So just imagine dropping in another country and you don't even have friends. You don't have any friends, you don't have any family, you do not know anybody. You start to work hard to become part of this new country that you're dropping in. You leave behind everything you learn and you start to learn everything new because you want to be part of this society. You want to be a productive member. You want to do good for this new country that you have dropped in and leave the country that you left behind for those who are behind to take care of it. Now you want to make this country that you're living in, where your beloved husband come from, your country, and you want to do everything that is in your power for the betterment of those people, for the betterment of that country. You're going to work hard day in and out to introduce yourself in this culture and just be a part of it. All of this while trying to have a job, while trying to learn a language, while trying to become a part of society, while being rejected by people, family members, members of the government, because my interactions with immigrations, I don't know if you have seen those stories, but my interaction with immigration have been the worst interactions with immigration any foreigner could have in Jamaica. To then fast forward 20 years when social media is a thing and I can put myself out there and people can get to meet me and get to know that I'm Cuban and I live in Jamaica, to have people constantly sending me back a my yard. People come here to insert themselves in the culture and learn the culture. At least me still there, but you have people who come from China, from Japan, from Korea, who come here to come learn the culture and carry it out with them. And that's still such a huge compliment. Would you just cancel the go back a your yard thing? You see, Cuba is not your regular Caribbean island. There is very little information out there about Cuba, and the little information out there about Cuba is misinformation. There is some crapula people who leave Cuba and just misrepresented all Cubans all over the place. Unlike other immigrants, I didn't leave Cuba because I wanted to. I didn't leave Cuba because I was looking for a better life, because I was looking for better employment. I left Cuba because I fell in love with a Jamaican. And that Jamaican happened to not like Cuba or stay in Cuba. So if me like the man, me have to follow the man. It is very hard. It is very hard, especially for somebody who, like for me, for example, I never spoke English until I came to Jamaica. I learned to speak English in Jamaica. Therefore, my accent is gonna sound like me coming from Yasa with a Spanish thing mixed up in it. Because me never go to school, go learn English. Me never go America, go learn English. Me never born, like if I born in England and then I come here and I try to speak like a Jamaican, it may feel away, but still you as an English person could catch the Jamaican accent, just like every single Jamaica who travel go to England, come back like, may I have a so me don't understand why uno would have never expect a Cuban living in Jamaica for 20 years to sound like how I sound. Nonetheless, I know and I'm so grateful that this is not the case for every Jamaican out there, because I know enough of uno love me. But for those out there who still don't understand this immigration thing, please be kind. Please be kind, because it's not me alone who come from another country come live here, so and I am not going to be the last either. You have no idea how many DMs I get daily about people who live a foreign, who want to come back here, so who them grandmother was from here, so and they just want to sell everything in a foreign and come here, so please, we are all humans. Remember, those borders and countries and all of that are made up foolishness by governments to keep us divided. Do not fall for the foolishness. We are all humans living in one world, one love. Musha love.
Pay attention. This is serious. Very, very serious. A while ago, I was sitting in my car and I saw a lady walking around with a little baby. Yeah. And she said, son, beg you $100. And I said, mommy, $100 would I can help you. I said, is that your baby? She said, no, that's not my child. She said, it's my daughter child, but my daughter passed away. Oh. Yeah. So you know what I do? I said, how old the baby is? And she said, 8 months old. Where the baby come from? I like export people, you know, but I want some funds for her. Come here, mommy. Come here, mommy. I have to stop my performance to do this. So here we are, say, me and my wife walk around at the store. Pass the back there for me. See the black bag there? Pass the back black. Yeah, that bag there. So when you tell me that, you tell us I don't care $100. You say me I care a bag of stuff. So you say anybody will have something we can get this lady. And I look a beautiful 8 months old baby here. We want to forward and carry it. We want to forward and carry it. So play the song. Play the song will come to my heart. Play the song will come to my heart for she. A Jamaica with there. And we need to start support for all Jamaican people. You hear me telling you? Some of us don't have it. Some of us do. But every week we come up here. Mommy, see it here? That's Mama B. See it here? Anybody where we can forward, man. Please and thank you. When the song play, man, we are healing the world today, man. We are healing Jamaica. Because we can't turn back on the people, them. This is not going to happen while Razor B is alive. While Razor B is living. While Razor B is living, that's not going to happen. While I'm living, this would never happen in Jamaica. If I die, I have to get come. right around in our place here, Augusta. There's nothing for us to be ashamed about. Any one of us can be in the situation. Play back again once. Every hand up. Every hand up on a wave. Please.
There's a place
Let's go.
in your heart.
Yeah.
And I know that it is
We
not
have love in our heart.
place was brighter than tomorrow.
I love you.
I'm the only one a go yard and come back and not even 2 weeks go that I think about and when I go back a yard. But then when you're there yard, you have certain things that go on here, so and you know say yard need the money. Jamaica nice, you know. Jamaica make me feel like when I have no problem in this world. Only the money. Jamaica nice, man. I don't care what go on in the world. Jamaica nice. Well, when me go Jamaica, nice. They wake me up. Yeah, man. I mean, I talk about no 8, 9 o'clock like when you're there and you have to set alarm. You know? I mean like from 4:30, your body say, well rest. And the rooster say, get up. And no matter what you do by 8 o'clock, 8:30, you're going to bed. A piece that, man. A piece. But I just go and make money here, so still, you know.
And okay, so never say hello.
No, never say hello. Because words carry vibrations, yeah. We Bobo Shanti, we don't say hello. We deconstruct words, you know, a lot. We don't say last night either. We say first night. Because there will never be a last night. You understand? Yeah, and we do not say appreciate. We say appreciate love.
Oh.
You see? So there's many words that we have to deconstruct in English for you to get the proper vibration of what we really mean. You understand?
I'm so tired of this narrative. It is simply not true. And I don't know where it started. I don't know who is trying to create this propaganda that Africans don't accept us in the diaspora. It is not true. A great majority of them love us and embrace us and want us to come over there and connect with them. Sure, you have a few that may be saying, oh, you know, don't come over here. But I mean, it's 1 and 2, and most of them are just not in their right minds. Just like you have piece of shit Jamaicans, but I'm not going around and saying, oh, Jamaica is hell because you have a few people who aren't very nice. Check the comment section of the last video that I posted. It is full of comments from the continent, all over the continent. Even on Instagram, I have 50k followers on Instagram. About 90% of them are Africans. Africans love us, especially Jamaicans. Okay, maybe they don't like Black Americans so much, right? And you can understand, you know, I love my Black American brothers and sisters, but y'all are hard to deal with sometimes, especially when you come to other places where other African people are. You know, you come with your entitlement, you come with your attitude, you come with your complaining. Like, it's very difficult to deal with y'all because you're American, you know, and that's just the truth. But we love in the same way, you know, but it's not just hard to deal with. But Africans love Jamaicans. They love Jamaicans. Ghana, they act just like us. They actually act like us. That's how much they love us. Come on. And the rest of Ethiopia.
You know, the thing is, when we complain, or not really complain, but when we voice our own opinion on America and how it deal with you and whatever, you have some people in the comment section that talk about, so why not go home, why not come home, why not go back to Jamaica, why not this, why not left the place, and what we are left it and go do then? Like, be honest with yourself, what we are left it and go do? Tell me now. When people there 10, 15 years and all these things, what we are left with? What we are left? We just talk, we just share our own experiences. We just share our own experiences. What we are go back to Jamaica, go do what? Like, for real now. Like, if you don't think about it, just be real. Like, what we are go back to Jamaica, go do? If we say with America and it's really depressing and really, sometimes it get really hard and all of these things. But if it is like that in America, what would I say about Jamaica? So why would I want to leave here and go back home to something more harder, more difficult, for actually have stuff, our own stuff, legitly, Why? Why would I? No, that does not make no sense. So when you come in the comment section and say, oh, no can come back home, or nobody now stop if you come left America and come back to Jamaica, it don't make no sense to come back. Like for real, for real. Uno self where put them comments there or where say that say I best people come back home at them yard if it's so difficult or if it's so hard America. Uno do it. I'm sure that say uno nah go do it. Uno nah go do it. Cause as bad as things may be in America or whatever, or hard or sometimes it be, but now just get up and just, oh, this too hard, me I go back to Jamaica, cause but just to believe that, I feel to believe that. So
Welcome back, guys. I hope you have watched the full clips. So you have seen some of the reasons why Jamaican is loved by very many people. Why Jamaica is now a trending country, a country that is loved by so many people. You have seen some of them that are explaining why their country is the best. You have seen the video of that first lady, how she's expressing why Jamaica is the best. The beach, they are strippers, she has explained so many reasons why Jamaica is the best. She cannot compare Jamaica to any other country. And yes, I think we can all agree with this because, first of all, let's talk about things like athletes. Jamaican athletes have been doing very well in the field. Like they have won very many gold medals. They have managed to break records that no one can ever break. So Jamaican has been dominating in the races, and that's why every country knows that Jamaican, when it comes to races, you cannot outsmart Jamaica. Now, another reason, let's talk of things like maybe their food. Jamaican food is the best. That's why many hotels in different countries are trying to copy how Jamaica cook their food, how they manufacture their food. They've been trying to copy that because Jamaican food is very natural, very organic. It does not contain chemicals. So I think that's the reason why their athletes are very good in the field. That's why their athletes are very strong, they're very fast because their food is very, very natural. It does not contain chemicals as compared to many foods in other countries. Other countries, their food, you'll find so many chemicals. You find people in hospitals day in, day out. Many people die because of this chemical food. But in Jamaica, their food is very, very natural and everyone loves Jamaican food. Now, for instance, let's talk of things like the Jamaican patois. You have seen people practicing Jamaican patois, be it US, be it Africa. We have been practicing Jamaican patois. Now, that is a language that has been trending so much online. People have been trying to speak that language, used mostly in Jamaican reggae music. I know you have been listening to reggae music. You know why people love reggae music, because reggae music is has good message. It is full of educative words, and most of the reggae music are done in patois. And you have seen many countries have been trying to copy Jamaican way of music. They have been singing reggae music, and they have been even practicing patois in those reggae music. So Jamaican has been in front line because of so many things, because things like that are the ones that are making Jamaica to be a famous country, a well-known country, a peaceful country. And you have seen stories whereby many people who have been visiting Jamaica, they have been coming there saying that, wow, this country is so peaceful. Jamaica is so peaceful, full of opportunities. And if you go there, it's a country that you will love. So Jamaican has been the best country so far in the world. They are bragging about it, and we can all agree Jamaica is the best. Look how tourists are visiting Jamaica. We all know for tourists to be visiting your country, first of all, your country must be peaceful. It must contain good food, beautiful sceneries, the beaches. You know what tourists love. So Jamaica has all that in one. When you go to Jamaica, you get good food, you will visit the beach, the sun. So tourists love visiting Jamaicans because of how Jamaicans interact with them, because Jamaicans are peaceful, they are welcoming people. So Jamaica is trending, and we can all agree that Jamaica is the best country in the world. So when they brag about their country, clearly it's true. These people They are very good people. They are very peaceful people. Their country is the best. So what do you think about Jamaica? If you've been to Jamaica, tell me in the comment section. Do you think Jamaica deserves all the credits for being the best country in the world? So in the comment section, let's interact. Tell me what you think about Jamaica. Personally, I can say Jamaica is the best because it has been trending online because of very, very many things. Very many things. I have mentioned some of them and there are just so many. So Jamaica is the best according to me. So thank you for watching this video, guys. Until my next video, one love.